Before you begin, remove the top cover. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the I/O board ZIF connector and disconnect the I/O board ribbon cable from the system board. Peel back the tape that covers the LED on the I/O board. Release the right edge of the I/O board from the retention clip and slide the external connectors on the left side of the I/O board out of the cutouts in the base enclosure. Replacement. Tow the external connectors on the left side of the I/O board into the cutouts in the base enclosure and secure the right side of the I/O board under the retention clip. Replace the tape that covers the LED on the I/O board. Insert the I/O board ribbon cable into the I/O board ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place.